This here is my Wheelhorse 552 Remnants with a front attachment ceiling fan. I never showed how I hung this one. Because it was sketchy and I didn't want my wife to see me die on camera. So I didn't record it for the sake of, I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it. But anyway, I knew I had another hood somewhere, but for the time being, this one was going to be my hood for this. I did not have a fuel tank, so I just drilled some holes and stuck a through rod into it and called it good. But I now have a gas tank. Thank you to my buddy Bryce in Oklahoma. He sent it all the way to me for exchange for one of my I Got Plowed at Polestar Stables t-shirts from the plow day. And I figured that it's time now to finish the ceiling fan the way that I had intended. I think I've got enough parts to put it all together. I don't know what year these steering gears were drilled like that, but I've had a couple come through here, and I think the closest one that I know of is maybe like a 1966 model, like a 1056 or something. If you've seen one of these before, let me know when they actually were used. But this one's been cut. It's got some booger welds that have been broken. So it's a perfect display model. So this here was the magic piece that I was missing. And I asked Bryce to sign it for me if he could, anywhere he wanted to. And that's where it's gonna stay. I don't like it when them chickens come and poop in here. And there we have our updated and improved Wheelhorse ceiling fan attachment. I do need to get myself a new bulb because I might have smashed that one with a shovel handle. But otherwise, I like the way it turned out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.